Welcome to the QooCam 3 Ultra series instructional videos. This episode will introduce you to the first use of QooCam 3 Ultra. Unboxing. Open the box and take out QooCam 3 Ultra and its accessories. Here's what you will find. First use preparation. Push the battery cover latch upward, and the battery cover will be open automatically. The camera has about 100 GB of internal storage available, so you can start using it without a memory card. If you need to use a micro SD card, please insert the micro SD card into the card slot in this direction. Insert the battery. After the installation, please close the battery cover and lock the latch to ensure your QooCam 3 Ultra stays waterproof. Charging. Push the latch upward and open the USB-C port cover. Plug in the included USB-C cable to charge the camera. The indicator light will be solid red when charging, and it will turn off when the camera is fully charged. It takes about 80 minutes to fully charge. When charging is complete, unplug the charging cable and close the USB-C port cover. Before using the camera, make sure the USB-C port cover is closed and the battery cover latch is locked to avoid affecting the waterproof performance. Firmware update. Download the latest firmware via Wi-Fi. First, connect the camera to Wi-Fi, scroll down the screen menu, and long press the Wi-Fi icon to enter the Wi-Fi network settings. After connecting to the internet successfully, slide down the screen menu to access the camera settings page. Enter About Camera. Check for updates. Then follow the instructions to update your camera's firmware. Please ensure a stable and uninterrupted network connection during the upgrade process. When the upgrade is complete, the camera will automatically restart. Next, we will introduce the button functions of QooCam 3 Ultra. Power button. Short press the power button to turn on the camera. Long press the power button for 2 seconds to turn off the camera. Mode button. On the preview page, short press the mode button to switch shooting mode. Shutter button. On the preview page, short press the shutter button to start shooting. During shooting, the camera's indicator light will blink blue. Short press the shutter button again to stop shooting. Q button. The Q button allows you to configure custom functions, such as accessing playback or switching modes. You can view all available shortcuts in the system settings. View switch button. In the preview interface or during album playback, switch the view by tapping the view switch button. Introduction of interface. On the main screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to enter the control center. Brightness adjustment, screen orientation, Wi-Fi switch, alert volume, Bluetooth audio device connection, and system settings. Tap the system settings. You can set up dynamic range boost, color range, anti-flicker, etc. Swipe left from the right edge of the screen to enter the shooting parameter settings page. You can adjust the exposure and image parameters here. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to enter the shooting specification settings page. You can set options such as resolution and frame rate here. Swipe from the left side of the screen to browse the footage you have taken. Tap the mode icon in the lower left corner to enter the mode switching page. You can select the shooting mode here. In video and loop recording modes, tap the icon in the lower right corner to switch between single and dual lens shooting. In the picture, interval, AEB and DNG8 modes, you can tap the icon in the lower right corner to set the timer. Embark on a journey to explore the beauty, starting from this very moment. Welcome to join our photographic adventure, capturing every amazing moment with QooCam 3 Ultra.